Welcome to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And right here I have some plum tomato, some black olives, some cucumber, and some sliced white onion, in which I'm going to use to make a lovely salad. But firstly, I'm going to go ahead and make a dressing, okay? So firstly, you need a bowl, okay? And then to that, you need some red wine vinegar, some honey, some salt, some pepper, black pepper that is, some diced garlic, some dry oregano. Right here I have some dry parsley, but if you have the fresh parsley, that one is best, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and give this a little whisk. Okay, amazing. And then to this, I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil. Okay, amazing. Okay, this is looking good. So now that our dressing is ready, I'm going to go ahead and put this aside, and then I'm just going to go ahead and combine all these ingredients, which is some plum tomato, some chopped cucumber, some sliced black olives, some sliced white onion, and I'm just going to toss all these ingredients together. Okay, amazing. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour my dressing over the salad, just like so. Just going to continue with the tossing process. And here we go, guys. Our salad is ready. Yeah, man. It's looking good. Okay, guys. Right here I have some sliced basil. Okay, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and garnish this with some basil. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Wow. So here we go, guys. Our salad is ready. Nice and easy, also delicious. So if it is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave a comment, and I will catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.